Thinking of starting your very own online store? Dropshipping can help you save tons of time, money, and space by completely cutting out the inventory, packaging, and shipping aspects of your business. Dropshipping is a business model that lets you sell products to your customers without actually holding any stock. Your supplier will deliver products directly to customers straight from the warehouse, taking care of packaging, labels, shipping, and all other product-related aspects in the process. All you need to do is create an online store, find a supplier, and virtually import the products you want to sell. You can customize the prices, images, titles, and descriptions of your products and start promoting them right away. Aside from taking the burden of inventory, packaging, and shipping off your shoulders, dropshipping can help you grow your business effectively in several different ways. Minimize risk. The biggest advantage of dropshipping is you only have to pay for the products that you've sold. There's no need to worry about purchasing bulk inventory or leftover stock. Save time. When you're not worrying about storing products or shipping, you have more time to focus on things that actually help you sell more, like marketing. Reduce cost. Storing products can be expensive. With dropshipping, you eliminate cost of warehouses and packaging. Plus, you can always sell low-cost products from China at market value to make more profit. Start easily. To run a dropshipping business, all you need to do is create an online store. You can literally design your store, virtually import products, and start promoting them all on the same day. Increase cash flow. You're only paying for the products you're able to sell. This means you always have a consistent cash flow and never have to worry about receivables and payables. Keep customers engaged. With dropshipping, it's so much easier to switch up your offerings and bring in new and trendy products every other day. This is a great way to keep your customers engaged and increase their lifetime value. Explore new markets. Importing products virtually means you can pretty much sell anything you want. This is an excellent way to test out new markets without risking too much. If your product doesn't sell, you don't have to pay for it either. Virtually stock unlimited products. Let's face it, there's always a limit to the number of products you can physically store. When you dropship, you don't have to worry about limiting your stock. You can virtually import hundreds of products in your online store at a time. Dropshipping can be an incredibly lucrative and fun business model to utilize, as long as you are comfortable with the hard work needed to succeed. There are workshops available online and in person that can provide you with tips and tools to create a successful online business. To read our full article that shows you how to dropship and set up an online store, click the link to our blog in the description. Also, be sure to check out the recommended course below and sign up for a step-by-step dropshipping course today. You will receive a wealth of information regarding dropshipping for your business, how to advertise, and setting up your social accounts within your website. Don't miss out. Sign up today.